If you're experiencing a login failure in GTA 5, specifically the error code 2025, follow these steps to troubleshoot and recover your access. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Rockstar Games server status page to see if there are any ongoing maintenance or outages affecting the game. If the servers are down, you will need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your game. Close GTA 5 completely and restart it. Sometimes, simply restarting the game can resolve temporary issues that may be causing the login failure. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're playing on PC, use the game launcher Steam, Epic Games, or Rockstar Launcher to verify the integrity of the game files. This process will check for any corrupted or missing files and replace them. Step 4. Update your game. Ensure that your game is updated to the latest version. Check for any available updates in your game launcher and install them. Outdated versions can lead to login issues. Step 5. Contact support. If none of the previous steps work, reach out to Rockstar Games support for assistance. Provide them with details about the error and any troubleshooting steps you have already taken. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the login failure issue and get back to playing GTA 5. If problems persist, continue to seek help from the support team.